Hi everyone, welcome to the Go Off-Road Workshop. We've got a Ultra B wheel and tyre in today for swapping. So we've got a KENDA Washougal 2, as you can see, really chunky tyre, and that's getting swapped out for the original road legal slick tyre that was on there. We're also going to put a KENDA Tuff tube in there as well as just a heavy duty fitment. So yeah, we'll show you how we do it. As you can see, that's the old tyre off the rim, so now it's time to get this KENDA tyre put on there. So always look out for the rotational mark on the tyre. So this tyre needs to go this direction, as you can see the arrow pointing that way. So work out which way your wheel will be fitted to the bike and make sure that's all on there correctly. So these tyres are quite tight when they go on there, so we always use a little bit of tyre lube and just get that on the edge. Now it's time to get the KENDA tube. We'll get that put into the wheel as well. As you can see, this profile is a really big tube and it's nice and thick. So the chance of getting a puncture on this one's a lot less than the original one. So that's the tyre all installed. Now it's time to get a little bit of air put in there. So that's all done. Just time to give the tyre and the rim a little bit of a wipe down to get all the tyre fitting lube off there. And it's ready to go back onto the bike. One final step is just to make sure that your valve is nice and tight once your tube's been pumped up.